Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to connect Cash App to EarnIn. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. You can directly link Cash App to EarnIn as Cash App is considered a prepaid account and EarnIn requires a traditional checking account with employer direct deposit for verification, which Cash App doesn't support. In order to move money between EarnIn and Cash App, what you can do is use a bank account. While not seamless, you can use a saved bank account as an intermediary. First, what you need to do is link a traditional bank account. EarnIn needs this to verify direct deposit paychecks and enable payouts. They typically use valid or ask for manual bank or routing detail. Second is to receive your EarnIn payout into this linked bank account. Standard ACH takes 1 to 3 business days, and then Lightning Speed takes instant and charges 1.99 to 2.99 fee depending on the deposit speed. Then third is to link the same bank account to the Cash App by simply heading over to the Cash App, logging in, and then heading over to the Add Bank or Link Bank option, then using the same account credentials via valid or manual. Then next is to transfer funds from your bank to Cash App. Use Cash App Add Cash feature, selecting the account as the source, and you can choose a standard transfer from 1 to 3 days or an instant transfer. That's the only reliable method to move money from EarnIn to Cash App. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did. Comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.